When our body succumbs to sickness and diseases, the first thing that comes into our mind is to straighten out our lifestyle by eating the right foods. Rhubarb is considered to be among the right foods if you want to have a healthy lifestyle. Aside from the fact that it helps in maintaining a good digestive system, it also contains vitamin C, which boosts our body's immunity system against various diseases. Once grown and used in China for its potency as a medicine, rhubarb has been used as an alternative medicinal treatment for various health issues. It was introduced in America in the late 18th century and it was first used for medicinal purposes. Later on, it has been grown and used for human consumption in the various parts of the world. Today, we enjoy the rich sweet tart flavor of fresh rhubarb stalks that are baked into delicious pie. Below are some of the health benefits you can expect when you eat the vegetable in moderation. Health benefits: protection against cancer. Have you ever wondered why the rhubarb stalk contains a bright red color? The antioxidants that are present in every stalk are responsible in making their color red. The compound that gives the rhubarb its color acts as a vanguard in keeping the body protected from cancer. In addition, it provides good health to your eyes, heart, while strengthening your immune system to fend off various diseases. Stronger bones and teeth. People who are prone to osteoporosis and other bone issues usually have calcium deficiencies. Rhubarb is an excellent source of calcium, which helps strengthen the bones and teeth. Your body needs to store enough calcium to prevent the degeneration, softening, of the bones as well as losing your teeth. Good for people with high cholesterol. Rhubarb is high in dietary fiber, which is good for people with high cholesterol. There were researches conducted where rhubarb has been found to help increase the release or excretion of bile acids. As a result, this helps the human body to fend off bad cholesterol. Anti-inflammatory effects. Recent studies have shown that rhubarb helps in addressing inflammation. Consuming the stalks will help ease the pain caused by the inflammation. In addition, the extracts also prevent the formation of stone. Nutritional value. Each serving of rhubarb contains 15 calories, 3 g of carbohydrate, 1 g of sugar, 1 g of dietary fiber, 1 g of protein, and smaller amounts of vitamin A, C, and calcium. While regular consumption of the vegetable is beneficial to your health, you still need to ask your doctor how much intake is appropriate. A word of caution: aside from its stalk, the leaves of the rhubarb contain a toxin known as oxalate, toxic substance, which can cause poisoning. Do not include the green leaves of this plant as they are known to be dangerous once ingested, especially in large quantities. Moderation should always be followed in order to avoid side effects. You should also consult your doctor before you use it as an alternative medicine. If you like this video, please share, like, and subscribe to our channel. Have a nice day.